Yeah. Nah, Stalgia. Welcome back to the boat shed. So, Superman versus Grimace. Why would I think of such a thing? Out of all the people to match the Man of Steel with, why would I choose Grimace like it's some celebrity love match game show? Perfect match? So, to start things off, let's reveal Grimace, a McDonald's character that has fallen out of favor, even more so than the creepy clown that they used to have. Here's my Happy Meal. And Grimace. This is actually a pop ad icon. Do. Let's open Grimace. It's decreased in value significantly. Damn it. That's what I should have named this show. Decreased in value significantly. Okay, Grimace. Do you think the fact that he's morbidly obese is a reason why McDonald's distanced themselves from him? I think so. Well, he seems happy. And then we have the Man of Steel, which somebody else already unboxed decades ago, by the looks of things. Who would win between these two? And why am I asking? Well, Superman versus Grimace. Oh, Parasite. I keep buying these things, hoping to find an Action Comics #1. Mistakenly put in the back. No such luck today. Well, here we have Superman, the Man of Steel, opening Grimace's mouth in a battle to the death. I have not read this DC 715 issue from 1995, but I'm going to. Who do you think's gonna win? Oh, there we have. He looks more like Grimace here. Here he looks like that sewer monster from the X-Files. Just a purple version. Superman's flying. Grimace looks thinner here because he stopped eating McDonald's and drinking Coca-Cola. And looks like Grimace wins. The end. Was there any doubt that Grimace would destroy Superman by eating him? Who wants a McDonald's now? You can also get the creepy clown, the criminal, the corrupt politician, Blue Lives Matter hamburger, and Fry Guys? I don't remember Fry Guys. Thanks for watching.